Guys, what's up? In this video, I want to talk about my free newsletter, The Optimal Designer, where I talk about Figma, UX, UI, freelance, and most importantly, I talk about how to be successful as a freelancer, as a designer, as a developer. Here I share things related to Framer, to Webflow, to a lot of different tools as well, to any new things that I've learned. In the next post that's going to come out, I think tomorrow or the day after, 1st or 2nd February or something, I'm going to talk about how to actually make more money as a designer, which is obviously a huge topic. There, I'm going to actually link and reference some of the recent videos I've created on this topic, but it is going to have some exclusive content. And the two pieces of exclusive content are actually, the first one is from the Productize Yourself course, which is from Brett from Design Joy. And I basically get to the gist of it and I talk about what he actually shares in terms of getting leads, because I feel like that's the most important question that people have. So again, I'm going to basically have all of those learnings on getting leads from that particular course that I took, and I've noted them down. Secondly, I'm also going to share some insights from Nick from Baked.design and how he actually scaled his agency to quite a lot. So again, it's going to be exclusive content. It's not going to be present anywhere else from me, at the very least on my social channels. So do subscribe to the newsletter and do subscribe to me on YouTube as well as a separate thing. But yeah, I'll see you there. Take care.